Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on the Mandy K Way. I hope you are having a wonderful day. Today I am going to be continuing my series on Jack Black skin and body products. Lately I have been really noticing the lines on my forehead and wrinkles starting to appear. I am on a mission to fix these fine lines and wrinkles. Today we are going to be talking about the Jack Black Line Smoother. I'm going to be trying out this sample today and see if it works right away or if it's something that you have to use a while to see a difference. I am hoping that you get results right away like the Jack Black Eye Balm. I have been wanting to try this product and I was really glad when they sent a sample with our last order. If this works, I might have to order the full-size bottle. If you are interested in this product, I will put a link in the description so you can go check it out. Also, if you are not subscribed, click that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. So let's go ahead and take a look at the Jack Black Line Smoother before we test it out. This line smoother is a fast-acting glycolic acid treatment that smooths skin and helps reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. This is an oil-free, vitamin-enriched formula that contains 8% glycolic acid to improve skin tone, texture, and clarity. There are 3 main ingredients in this line smoother: glycolic acid, vitamin E, and aloe leaf juice. The glycolic acid is a natural fruit acid derived from sugarcane. It is one of the best known ingredients to help promote cell turnover and even out discoloration due to sun exposure and environmental damage. Vitamin E is an antioxidant superstar that works to protect cells against free radical damage. And the aloe leaf juice helps soothe the skin. This product, along with their other products, are free of synthetic fragrance, colorants, and paraben-free. Every product features certified organic ingredients and always cruelty-free and dermatologist tested. Now let's talk a little bit about how you're supposed to use this line smoother and when. You are supposed to apply a small amount of this line smoother on your face and neck. They recommend to begin, you should apply it at night before you go to bed. After your skin becomes used to the product, you can apply both morning and night. Just an FYI, if you are a man using this product, you might notice a mild tingle when using this right after you shave. They say that this is normal and is also temporary. If your skin is too sensitive after shaving, apply the line smoother once a day in the evening. They also recommend that you should always use a sunscreen when using this line smoother. Okay guys, it's time for the moment of truth. Let's test this out. But before we do that, let's take a look at some before shots. Here you can see the lines on my forehead that I'm really noticing a lot lately. And I'm also getting wrinkles at the corners of my eyes, especially when I'm smiling. I really notice them. So these are the areas that I am really hoping this line smoother helps. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this packet up and squeeze some out on the back of my hand so we can see what it looks like. I'm gonna grab some scissors. Just go ahead and cut the top off there. Okay, so let's go ahead and squeeze a little bit out here. It's really coming out. Hold on. It's definitely not thick. Not thick at all. Okay, so I have put some on my hand. And as you can see here, it is a really thin white lotion. And it is definitely runny. So if you put it on the back of your hand, just keep your hand steady. Because if you move it up or down, it's definitely going to run. Let me just go ahead and feel it a little bit. It is very thin, but it is very soft, if that makes sense. Here where it started running down my hand, it is definitely moisturizing. That is for sure. And it definitely makes your skin soft. So I'm really excited to try it out. Okay, let's go ahead and smell this and see if there's a smell. I really don't smell anything. It may have a very faint lotion smell, but I would say it's basically odorless and doesn't have a smell. Now let's go ahead and apply it to my forehead, and I'm going to put some on the outer corners of my eyes, and I might also do it around my mouth a little bit because I'm also kind of starting to see some wrinkles around there. And like I said earlier, I'm really anxious to see if it's something that works right away or if it's something that you have to use on a regular basis for like a week or two to notice any difference. I did see some reviews where they said it did take some time for them to notice it. I think a lot of them were around the 2-week mark when they said they were seeing a difference. So let's go ahead and apply it to see if we notice anything right now. All right, here we go. Go ahead and apply it. It feels really good going on. Let's go ahead and do a little bit more where I really have the lines going on. I'm also going to put a little bit here between my eyebrows because I'm also getting some lines there. All right, now let's go ahead and apply some around the corner of my eyes. And a little bit really does go a long way because it's so thin. But it really does feel good to put it on. It's nice and soft, and it definitely makes your skin soft. And I really feel like it's moisturizing too. And I am getting, not so much in my forehead, but around the eyes and right here on my cheeks, I am getting a slight, I wouldn't say burn, it's not a tingle, but I can definitely feel it. And they did mention that you may have some temporary tingling, but that was like right after you shaved. So I'm not sure. Yeah, it's already starting to go away. All right, and I'm gonna put some around here as well. Right where I make this face and I get little lines right there. I notice I do it quite frequently. I need to try to stop that. Okay, so I have it on my forehead, the corners of my eyes, and going to my top of my cheeks, or I don't even know what you call that, your cheekbones, right to the top of that. And then I put it around my mouth a little bit. And once you put it on, it feels a little wet, but it already feels like everything's dry. It has seeped into my skin, and I don't feel any tingling or burning or anything like that at all anymore. It just kind of feels like I put a moisturizer on my face. And I have to say the back of my hand where the line smoother was is really, really soft. And so is my finger. Let's take a closer look to see if we can see any difference. So by just taking a look in the mirror, I'm not seeing any dramatic difference on my forehead. The eyes, maybe a little bit, nothing drastic. So I really do think that this is a product where you're going to have to use it over time to let it work, let it build up, let it do its thing. But I am interested in finishing out this sample packet, and I think I have another sample packet of it that may get me through like a week's time. So let's go ahead and take some close-up shots of after I applied it, and let's see if you guys can see any difference. Okay guys, so what do I think? And to be completely honest with you, the jury is still out. I don't think, like I said earlier, that it's a one-time thing. You stick it on and your fine lines are gone. I think it's something that you're going to have to use over a week, 2 weeks to see a difference. It's not like my other video with the eye balm where you stuck it under the eyes, your eyes were bright, they helped with the lines under your eyes, the dark circles were gone. So it's not an instant reaction like that. But I am very curious as to see if I use it a week to see if I see a difference. So I am going to continue to use my sample packet and the other packet that I have to hopefully get me through a week of trying it to see if I see any difference. If you're interested in an update, put that in the comments below and I can update this video to let you know if I really did see any difference. As far as ordering the full-size bottle, I think I will hold off on that just to see if I get any results from the sample packets. But I do have to say, sitting here and recording, and I just looked over in my mirror, and I can kind of see a little bit of difference on my forehead. So it may take a little bit of time to seep into your skin and actually start working. But I do kind of notice that the lines on my forehead may be getting a little bit better. But I'm curious to know if you guys use this Jack Black line smoother. Comment down below and let me know if you use it and how it works for you and what kind of result you have gotten. If you're interested in checking out the Jack Black line smoother, I will put a link in the description below. And if you are not subscribed, please click that subscribe button and turn on the notification bells so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I still have a lot of other Jack Black products to review, and you're not gonna wanna miss those videos. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.